What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be discussing climate refugees and the issue of climate change and how it affects migrants around the world. Climate refugees are defined by people who must leave their homes and communities because of the effects of climate change and global warming. These people are a subsection of a larger group of immigrants known as environmental refugees. These are anyone who must immigrate due to environmental concerns, whether it be natural disasters or something else. Sea level rise is actually a main contributor to climate refugees and is an issue for those living in places close to the ocean. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has predicted that the sea will rise 0.2 to 0.6 meters, which translates to about 7 inches to 2 feet between the years 1990 and 2100. This drastic change in sea levels affects places like Bangladesh, the Maldives, and Venice. In fact, sea level rise has already affected San Francisco, which is another place close to the water, where flood defenses are having to be built rapidly to protect from sea level rise. Also, climate change affects people differently, as the most severe migration and displacement is happening in low and middle income countries that have not made a significant contribution in warming the Earth. In 2022, 21% of disaster displacements occurred in least developed countries and small island developing states, which made up less than 15% of the global population. An example of this is Bangladesh and Somalia, who recorded over 1 million displacements due to cyclones and droughts. This is an example of underdeveloped countries experiencing the drastic and unfair effects of climate change. Along with sea level rises, droughts create many challenges, stranding people and creating climate refugees inland. The Gobi Desert in China gets bigger every year, and it's like right there, expanding over 3,600 square kilometers. These farmers are forced to migrate to China's urban areas because of the lack of water and rising temperatures. Finally, the problem of climate change supports the need for increased human rights, as migrants that are fleeing climate change have less legal rights than those fleeing for other reasons, making this an issue that directly puts third world countries and those less fortunate at an even bigger disadvantage. The Refugee Convention states that the 5 criteria to be a refugee are race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group, not including climate change, making it difficult for climate refugees to gain rights when traveling.